sausage and peppers and mushrooms and onions. It doesn't get any more Italian-American than that. Peppers were brought to Italy only after the discovery of the New World. It's a New World product. So in the Italian-American dishes, you'll see a lot of pepper. Veal and pepper, chicken cacciatore with pepper, sausage and peppers. It's a vegetables. You know, the Italians love their vegetables, and that was one of the vegetables that they really found when they came here. So the sausages, you know, you could do it only in one pan, but for the sake of time, I'm going to use 2 pans. I get the sausages caramelized on one side, and then I'll do the vegetables and the peppers on the other side. You don't want to put it all together because the raw vegetables releases its water, and then you get kind of a steamed sausage. You want the crispiness on the sausage. So we'll do the vegetables separately. If you do it only one pan, you do your sausages crispy, remove them out of the pan, and then in that pan do your vegetables. So now I want the vegetables, but I want the vegetables to be nice and crunchy, and I don't want the onions to be completely wilted. So these little onions like this, and you cut it just like that, leaving a little bit of the stem of the root there, so that holds this quarter together, just like that. Put them all like that. Okay. Then this peperoncini. These are little peppers. Another rendition of peppers, but these are nice piquant. They're preserved in a vinegar, so it has the nice acidity. And it's great to offset the fatness sometimes of the sausages. And what you want is you want the meat outside. The seeds, you can put them to cook, but they're the really spicy ones. So, okay. The onions, I'm going to throw this a little bit in here. And a little bit also in here because I want it to permeate the sausages. So just a little bit in there. I mean, 1 or 2 is enough. This is going to be spicy, but okay, we'll stop right there. I have the peppers. The peppers just colorful are nice. You can put green peppers, whatever, it's in season. But the more color, you know, I like it colorful. Yellow and orange and red pepper, just seeded, cut it in quarters or sixth. And just put it in. Okay. A little bit of salt. And then mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms that you have. These are shiitakes, creminis. The shiitakes, they're delicious, but the stems are a little bit woodsy, so I kind of cut that off. And then just slices. If you have the cremini like this, even in half are nice like that. So you have a little bit of texture. These are the regular champignons. Wash them very quickly. Mushrooms, don't soak mushrooms in the water when you wash them. Just in and out. And then pat them dry, because otherwise in there it's going to be steaming rather than caramelizing. So I will let this simmer away. Put a little bit more salt for the mushrooms. And slowly let it cook until the vegetables let out all their steam and they caramelize. The sausages are done. I'll clean up and then we'll put it together and we'll have a great dish. Okay, Tanya, I think. Isn't that beautiful?
Colorful.
Huh?
Beautifully colorful.
Right. So either way, you can put this in there or this in here. What would you like?
I'm going to put this in here because you see they've just got all that good flavor down on the bottom of that pan.
You go right ahead. Go ahead. Wow. Okay, I'll touch okay, baby. Oh. So, can I?
Sure. Move it over.
All right. And now you see what the beauty is, that the sausages remain nice and caramelized, and they don't get wet by all the water from the vegetables. They're still nice and caramelized. So let's put it all in here. You don't even have to cook it together because we have the flavors and all of that. So do you want it just...
You want me to put it in here?
Yeah. Where's the pie? Okay, perfect. All right. Ooh la la. Okay.
This is the ubiquitous dish at every street fair, Italian street fair across America.
Yeah, but it's, you know, it's great for when you have events, family gatherings, because it's a dish that keeps also well. You can reheat it, and...
I want to take this last piece of onion off.
Oh, you want a piece of... I didn't even see that one. Oh, how frugal my daughter has become. Good. Let's. Good for you. That's good. Don't waste a single thing. So we'll put that down. Now you choose one and we'll share it in half. Put some for you, some for me. I will put some wine for us. And you want to know which wine I chose?
What'd you get? Oh, you're bringing a little bit of Italy to this Italian-American dish.
Yeah, from our winery in Friuli. Those goodies.
It's a hearty wine for a flavorful dish.
Absolutely. So, what are we going to taste first?
I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to have a little bit of the sausage with the onion,
okay.
Vegetables.
So you do a lot of the school events with kids and all of that. Do you use this recipe?
Kids love this. We have at our school even like the Italian food tables at the fairs, and kids love the sausage with peppers.
Are you going to tell them what Giulietta has to do? There was an assembly.
The Italian-American assembly at school, and you have to represent someone Italian-American, and she's going to be you.
And how's she going to end?
She's going to say, tutti a tavola a mangiare, and they're all going to go to lunch.
So how appropriate. Can't we have you join our table? Shall we say that to them? Okay, she's tasting. Is it good?
It's delicious.
She has spoken for both of us, but I want to tell you and I want to invite you. So, do come. Tutti a tavola a mangiare.
It is really delicious.